Hey guys, this is a 2016 Jeep Grand Cherokee all-wheel drive V6 limited. Rebuilt title, had some front end damage. All been fixed up. It's got the bigger rims on it, which I think are 20s or 22s. Limited 4x4 parking sensors. Power lift gate. Got a smart key with remote start. Start it up here for you. So like 40,000 miles on it. Navigation, heated seats, heated steering wheel, Bluetooth, has a start and stop function, has your terrain adjustment, memory seats, it does have a sunroof here. Check out all my inventory at tjchapmanauto.com.